What are you doing? You're very smart. And you know where my phone is. Will he get it is the question. So close, so close, so close. You think I'm going to give it to you? I'm not going to give it to you. Come over here. Come here, little man. You know there's a camera and you say hi. Say hi. There you go. Uh-oh. Where are we going? Oh, you want to vacuum for me? Delicious, thank you. Oh, fantastic. Hemi. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, boy. Say hi. Whoa. Whoa. All right, come here. Who's that? Henry at the drive-in.
Opening at the top. It looks kind of like a little lettuce seed.
Henry, what are we watching?
Let's watch TV.
No, he's at the drive-in. Oh. How are you going to get out? It's your toolbox. Are you going to make things? Hi. Hi. Hi, Stinky. I like your overalls. You want to get out of the car? This way. Come on out. Come on out.
Ah, perfect. Elmo, thanks.
Just kidding.
Let's forward down here.
Come on out.
All right, all set. Now,
Want to come out?
just turn it back on and see if that did the trick.
He can do it himself.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, nice.
Uh-oh.
Oops, wrong way. Wrong way.
Henry, sweetie, are we going in the car? Can you go in the car? Open the door. Yeah, open it up. Yeah. Or just honk the horn. It's cool. Whatever you want. You got it. You got it.
Turn this off. It's a shape with 6 equal sides.
You gonna open up the door? Good boy. Come on in. Yeah, get in. Come on, you got it. There you go.